Do you want to connect Google Analytics in your WordPress site? The best way to know your audience is through your traffic stats, and this is what Google Analytics provides for free. In this tutorial, we will show how you can easily set up Google Analytics in your WordPress website. First, go to Google Analytics website. If you don't have an account yet, create first an account. Enter the account details. I will name mine My Sites. Next, add the property. Property refers to the associated website with your Google Analytics account. A single Google Analytics account can cater up to 50 websites. I will name my property Sample Website. Then I will change the time zone and currency. Add in your business information. Then check all the measurements you want Google Analytics to perform. Click Create. Then agree with the data processing terms. And we now have our Google Analytics account. Next step is to create a property. To do that, go to Data Streams. Then choose the platform where you want to focus on collecting data. In my case, I'll choose the web. Enter in your website's URL and website name. Then hit Create Stream. And we have successfully created a property. There are two types of property: a Universal Analytics and the GA4 property, which is the latest one. Ours is a GA4 property. You can identify the type of property by looking on its measurement ID. The final step is connecting it with our website. To do that, copy the JavaScript code snippet here, and paste it to your header.php file. So from your WP dashboard, go to Appearance. Then click Theme Editor. Find the header.php file. Then add in the snippet, right after the HTML body tag. Then do not forget to save the file. If we go back to Google Analytics, there is still no record of data that is showed. It will take 24 to 48 hours to fully establish the connection on both your website and your Google Analytics account. And that's how you set up and connect Google Analytics with your WordPress site. Thank you for watching. And subscribe for more videos.